Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So today we are going to be talking about how to get the most out of MCT oil. So MCT oil is great as it is a natural and healthy oil, and also a healthy fat as well, that is found in coconut oil. Now it allows you to fast for longer. So say if you're fasting between meals or for a health condition, it will actually allow you to go longer in the fast because it will help use your ketones and stop you from getting, hungry or the hunger pains. The next thing is how to make the most out of it. What you want to do is add it to your coffee and teas. So to flavour up your coffees, to flavour up your teas, and also get those extra ketones for the ketone benefits in the body. Number 3, take MCT oil before working out so you can burn fat for energy. So you'll actually be burning the MCT oil, but then it will convert over to the ketones. So if you're trying to lose weight, you can actually be exercising on ketones and your body can adapt to ketones instead of the glucose. Now you want to use also as a salad dressing, you can actually use coconut and MCT oil as a salad dressing to give it that oil. This can actually help with the absorption of the fat soluble vitamins because you've got the healthy fat. It will actually help with the absorption of those vitamins that are in the salad. Now number 5 is using guacamole and nut butter. So you can actually mix it with the guacamole and with the nut butter. Now I have another video which I will leave linked up here about all of the health benefits of MCT oil, and if you've got a little bit more time, definitely check out this playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.